In this video, I explain about the primary energy and the secondary energy. So first we understand about the primary energy. So primary energy sources are those that are either found or stored in a nature. Means it is a energy source which is available in a nature, or we can also say it is the found or stored in a natures. In other terms, the primary energy refers to all types of energy extracted or captured directly from natural resources. Means few of the energy that we need to extract from the earth crust, like as the oil, coal, natural gas, nuclears, we need to extract from the earthen crust. And few of the energy it is directly available, we not need to do the process, like as the wind, solar, geothermals, that are naturally available. Now it is further classified in a two category, that is called as the renewable and the non-renewables. So in a renewables, example are solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy, biomass energy, and the hydel energy, or it's also called as the hydro energy. So these are the naturally available energy and these are the renewables. Okay, and the second category is the non-renewables. In a non-renewables, that's are the various type of the fossil fuels. First example is the oil, coal, natural gas, and the nuclear. So these are the basic points about the primary energies. Now second energy is the secondary energy. So from the word we can understand that the secondary energy is produced from the primary energy. Okay, means the secondary energy is not directly available. We need to produce by burning the primary energy, or either we need to use the primary energy to produce the secondary energies. So primary energy sources are mostly converted in industrial utilities into secondary energy source. For example, coal, oil, or gas is converted into steam and electricity. So we know that is a various types of the boilers are there. It is a coal fire boilers, oil fire boiler, gas fire boilers. Okay, so in a boilers we convert the water into the steams by burning the fuels. Burning the fuel means by using the primary energy sources, and from the steam we produce the electricity, or by either using the solar or wind energy we can directly convert them into these electricities. Okay, so this is the definition of the secondary energy sources. Means secondary energy sources means it is produced from the primary energy sources. So steam and the electricities are the two basic examples of the secondary energy. So primary energy can also be used directly. In some of the energy source have a non-energy uses. For example, coal or natural gas can be used as a feedstock in a fertilizer plants. Means in a fertilizer plants, the coals and the natural gas is directly used in a feedstocks. Now these are the basic terms. Now we can understand by using this chart. So we know that the gas, coal, crude oils, or the uranium mines are there. From these mines we need to extract. Means the gas is extract from the gas wells, means we need to do certain process on them, so it's called as the treatments. In a coal mines we need to do the washings, on oils we need to do the refining process, in a uraniums we need to do the enrichment process. So here you can see it is the primary energy sources. Okay, means from the gas well we produce the natural gas by doing the certain process. From the coal mines we produce the coal, so it is a primary energy sources. From a crude oils we produce the LPG, petrol, diesels, or petrochemicals. From the uranium mines we produce the uraniums. So this is the primary energy sources, and on the primary energy sources are used to convert the secondary energy. What is the secondary energy? It is a steam or electricity. Okay, so natural gas is used in a steam boilers or in a power plants. Suppose this natural gas is used in steam boiler, steam is produced, and natural gas is used in a power plant, the electricity is produced. Coal is used in a steam boiler, then steam is produced. Coal is used in a power plant, then the electricity is produced. And this crude oil is further used. We know that we use the petrol and diesels in our car. Okay, so it is primary energy sources. Some petrochemicals, LPGs, are used for the cooking purpose. and these uranium mines, that is nuclear power plants are there and the electricity is produced. So this is the secondary energy sources. So this is the chart from we can understand how the natural sources is converted into the primary energy as well as in a secondary energy. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to energy conservation and management or renewable subjects or other subjects of mechanical engineering. For ECM subjects, various link is provided in a descriptions as well as in a playlist. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist.